So today we have Miss Vidushi Mishra with us. Vidushi is doing her BA English Honours from Delhi University, Dayal Singh College. Vidushi is also an avid reader and she is an absolute writer. Vidushi is a very active member of her college debating and literature society, and she is a blogger. She has been writing her blogs on various issues pertaining to the society as well as human rights issues. Welcome to Education View 360, Vidushi.
Thank you for having me, ma'am.
So, Vidushi, we move on to the question answer session. My first question to you is: are there any misconceptions associated with BA English honors?
Since the elementary level, we are taught English in a pretty comprehensive way. We are taught grammar, literature, language, and writing, and all of it. So the students tend to think that it is the same way in the undergraduate programs also. A very few people know that it's basically a literature program, and they focus mainly on literature. They teach you old and contemporary literature, and if the students are very interested in literature, then only they should take this program.
That's great. Very nice. So basically, those who have the literature mindset should take up this program. They should not be under the misconception that they are going to study grammar or they are going to study writing skills and all. That's not a part of the curriculum. So talking about the course and the curriculum, would you just tell our children that what is the course content like and what do you study at in various semesters?
Yes, as I just say, it's very heavy on literature. So we are taught literature of different cultures, and we are taught about the social and political issues that are, pertaining to that literature. So in the first semester, we mainly dwell on Indian literature and European literature. By the second semester, what happens is they continue the European literature and some popular literature, and by the third semester the course become pretty comprehensive, but the core subjects decrease.
So Vidushi, other than that, do you have any electives also that you choose from semester to semester? What are these?
Yes, so the general electives are can be selected every semester, or you can continue one elective for 4 semesters. It's just for 4 semesters. So they can be any general electives, and whatever fits your mind or whatever you have interest in. But if you ask me what are particular electives that help you with English honors, I would say political science, which I took for my general elective, because it helps you with the social and political issues, to connect with the literature and how to understand particular literature and the issues of the time. Some students also take philosophy for the same reason.
So Vidushi, now moving on to the next question is that once you finish your undergraduation in English honors, what are various options for post graduation as well as for your future career?
So for the post graduation program, you can study masters. Since masters is very refined, you can do it on particular era, or for example particular type of literature. For literature, there are a lot of universities which have impeccable literature programs. In India, to name a few, there are JNU, Jamia. DU also has an impeccable program, which includes Hindu, Stephens, etc. And if you ask me about some universities in abroad, they are University of Oxford, of course, but you need an impeccable recommendation for that. Otherwise, there's a University of British Columbia in Canada, and Durham University in UK. All of them are very good, and you need an entrance exam for them, but they have impeccable literature programs. Career options, there's first teaching, that's obviously there. For that, you have to give the NET exam. The second one is, of course, civil services. All of us, aspire for civil services. Other than that, there's a good program, a good journalism backup for the English honor students. So there's editing, there's writing, there's copy editing, and a lot of stuff.
What internship should students do and what sort of societies they should join at college so that it complements their course?
Students can choose whatever societies they want. And if you ask me about English honor students, literature society is very good. Otherwise, for the internships, I would say rest for the first year, get to know the college, get to know the program. By the second year, students are well versed with the social and political issues that surround, you know, English literature, and they're articulate in writing and listening and reading, everything. They can apply for internships in journalism, copywriting, and for English honor students, there's one content writing, which is very important, and there's PR and marketing.
That's great. I really loved your
Thank you.
advice that first year just take it easy and understand the system, understand your course and your college, because it's a huge transition from school to college. So, Vidushi, that's a great information. Thank you very much for being with us. To our audience, please stay tuned and keep subscribing and sharing these videos. We are going to get you more such insightful videos for future courses and further career options.